Hi, this is Wayne at LabelExpo in Barcelona, and now I have the privilege to interview Chiara Prati. Chiara, very nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you too.
I must admit, I'm pretty impressed with the stands that you've got here. I mean, you've got two quite big booths here. That's quite an investment.
Big one.
A big one. So, you're a regular exhibitor at LabelExpo, are you?
Yes, since 1993.
Oh, since 1993. Yes. So it obviously works for you.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about the company, because it's got quite a rich history. It's been trading for quite a few years, I understand.
Yeah, because as you can understand, the company is more than 50 years old.
Right,
okay. And since 1973, that was the age of the foundation of the company, right. We focus our energy, my father, that is the founder, focus his energy, and now the second generation in manufacturing, designing, and also servicing, finishing and converting machines for the labels, but also for the flexible packaging, and this year also for the folding carton.
Ah, okay, so folding carton's a new venture for you.
Exactly. Yes.
So what type of equipment are you offering for that particular market?
We offer machines to convert, so to varnish, to laminate, to embellish digitally, and to cut the folding carton.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah. So that's been launched at the show, is it? Or
that's been launched at the show, yes. And is one of the Prati news, is one of the jewel of Prati that we exhibit this year.
Right.
And it's called the DigiFast 20,000. Okay. That is actually the bigger brother of this beautiful machine that is called Jupiter. Right. Okay. That is a modular platform for mainly the food and beverage industry.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, I mean, you've got a lot of equipment here. Yeah. So, do you want to just give us an overview of the type of equipment that you've actually got on display at the show?
Yes, we have machines that serve all market segments. Okay, from food and beverage to pharmaceutical, high cosmetic, security labels, logistic and retail. So we cover all the market segments, and we wanted to display our customers that everything is possible with a Prati machine.
Oh, I see.
In narrow web, but also in mid web. Okay. And each machine we have on display shows a specific job that address a specific market segment.
Right, okay. So you're showing solutions, really. So you're a global company?
We are a global company with a good network all around the world that also service the machine, not only sells, but also service the machine. And we also have a branch office in the States, in Dallas, since 2018. Yep. Also to show our commitment to the American market.
Right. Well, as I say, I'm blown away by the amount of equipment that you've got here. They say that, you know, if you're going to demo, bring kit, and you've obviously done that. And how's today been? Has the machines been well received today?
Yes, the customers were very excited to see the machines, to see that Prati is moving also to the mid-web, not only in the narrow web, but also into the mid-web. Right. We are also very happy about that, because we want also to offer our customers opportunities to also enter in new business and to distinguish themselves from the others.
Well, you've certainly made an impact at the show. I absolutely love your booth, and it's been an absolute pleasure to meet you.
My
pleasure. I hope the rest of the show goes well for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.